Good day everyone, and in this video we're gonna talking about multiplying of functions. And in this video is we have a three different examples. And our first example is f of x is equals to 5x squared. And the second one is g of x is equals to 7x minus 9. And for our last example is h of x is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 8. And now let's try to multiply functions. So for example, we need to multiply f times g of x. So this is the same with f of x times g of x. And to solve for this, we need to substitute the f of x times g of x. So we have here the given example. So all you need to do is to write it down and boom. So for our f of x is we have 5x squared, and for our g of x is we have 7x minus 9. Tapos ay lagyan natin ng parenthesis para ito ay nangangahulugang kailangan natin i-multiply. And now to multiply 5x squared to this binomial 7x minus 9 is kailangan lang natin siyang i-distribute sa bawat term. Like for example, 5x squared times 7x. And multiply their numerical coefficient. 5 times 7 is equals to 35. At sa kanila namang variable ay pagsamahin lang natin sila. Dalawang x at isang x is magiging x cubed. And after that, doon naman tayo sa pangalawang term, which is 5x squared times negative 9. At dahil hindi sila like sign, ang magiging sagot natin dito ay negative. So, kailangan natin isulat ang negative sign. Tapos ay proceed na tayo sa multiplying. So, 5 times 9 is equals to 45. And copy the x squared kasi wala namang variable si 9, di ba? And this is our final answer of f times g of x. At ngayon ay dumako naman tayo sa pangalawa nating example. And here we have an example of f times h of x. And first, we all need to do is to substitute. So f of x times h of x. And for our f of x is equal to 5x squared, and our h of x is equals to x squared plus 2x plus 8. Again, lagyan natin sila ulit ng parentheses kasi multiply ang ating gagawin. At ganun pa rin ang gawin natin. We need to distribute 5x squared to all terms inside the parentheses. For 5, copy lang natin kasi wala namang numerical coefficient si x squared. And for the variable x squared at x squared, pag pinagsama natin ay magiging x raised to the power of 4. And after that, next naman tayo, 5x squared times 2x. And numerical coefficient is 5 and 2. So 5 times 2 is equals to 10. Positive. Bakit positive? Kasi they're both like sign. At sa variable natin na x squared at x, pag pinagsama ay magiging x raised to the power of 3 or x cubed. And for our last term naman, i-multiply lang natin 5x squared times 8. So, numerical coefficients, 5 times 8 is equals to positive 40. And copy the variable x squared kasi wala namang variable si positive 8. And that's it. Ganun lang po kadali mag-multiply ng functions.
Salamat!